Using the QStep process, we partnered with the customer, sat down with their engineering group, really understood what the use of the product was going to be, and we were able to make some significant design changes, which ended up in a 30% savings in cost and a 50% savings in lead time. Hi, I'm Ed from Versatility Tool Works and Manufacturing Company. We specialize in precision sheet metal fabrication. Versatility Tool has been around since 1972. One of the things that our customers love about what we do is we create partnerships with their engineering groups. We have a patented process called the QStep process. It's basically a customer engagement process which allows us to lower our customers' cost and improve quality. We optimize your material selection, which can save cost and lead time. We perform rapid prototyping and use advanced Six Sigma methodology to make sure that your parts are consistently made, everything's running accurately, and the quality is right. This enclosure is an excellent example of how the QStep process works. Our customer came to us frustrated with another supplier because they were waiting a long time to get these parts and they felt the part was costing them too much money. By using our advanced technology, we were able to combine some of the downstream processes which normally would take extra time and add lead time. One of those is adding tapped holds instead of using PEM nuts. Our blanking equipment, which is a laser punching combination machine, is actually able to tap holds in the blanking process. We're also able to use the laser to make forms. This allowed us to use a snap-together mechanical joining system, which then eliminated welding. So here you can see the inside, and on this corner, the outside. So basically, this part was complete as it came off our press brake and was packaged and sent out for distribution. The other thing that we did is we changed materials. The customer's using excessively thick material for the part. It wasn't necessary. We thinned up the gauge. We also changed to galvanized material, which then eliminated a painting operation. Bottom line, we had a 30% cost savings and a 50% lead time reduction. Another great example of the Versatility QStep process is this clock enclosure. Our customer was an electronics company that was producing these parts looking for a new sheet metal partner. They'd had a lot of quality issues and failures in the field. By using the QStep process, we partnered with the customer and completely redesigned the enclosure. Let me show you what we did. The speaker and the electronics were mounted by welding studs to the face of this cabinet. What we ended up doing is adding a chassis for both the speaker and the boards. This allowed us to mount them from the side with screws, eliminating the weld marks on the front. Now you may say that's going to add a lot of cost, but we also looked at what they were using for the cover material and we changed it to a thinner gauge stainless steel. We were able to save the cost that we put into the product and make it cost neutral. So Versatility is able to provide turnkey manufacturing for this product. Because we have all the equipment and expertise to make excellent tools, we're also able to provide our customers with precision machining of tooling type parts in low volumes. This is a great example of some very high tolerance parts. These vacuum fingers started as a solid block of aluminum. They're machined on a 4-axis machining center. At the end, we fabricate a couple of little sheet metal doors and put them right over the top and weld it all together. This particular part is a crimping die for a converting process. Again, very high tolerance. Everything needs to be just right for the machine to run properly. If you're looking for a manufacturing partner, consider Versatility Tool Works. QStep will save you time, save you money, and bring your products to market faster.
See us and other quality suppliers at d2p.com.